I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean, cool surface because contaminants lock in streaks. Once washed and dried, work in shade to prevent rapid drying. Now mix the shine formula. Combine 1 part concentrate with 3 parts water in a clean spray bottle. This ratio balances gloss and coverage. Make sure to shake gently for 20-30 seconds so the emulsion forms evenly. If you need more, mix fresh batches rather than diluting further. Consistent concentration ensures predictable results. You should apply in controlled passes so the product doesn't dry unevenly. Spray from about 30 to 40 centimeters in overlapping strokes. This covers without oversaturating. Once sprayed, immediately spread with a plush microfiber pad using straight-line passes to lock product into the paint and avoid swirl marks. Work 1 panel at a time so you can control dwell time, typically 10 to 20 seconds, then buff. If residue forms, reapply a light mist and finish with a clean microfiber for high gloss. You finish by buffing each panel with a fresh, dry microfiber cloth to reveal depth and remove any haze. Make sure to inspect at a low 45-degree angle so you catch faint streaks or uneven gloss. Once done, step back and repeat any hazy areas with a light mist and immediate buff. If persistent streaking appears, wash the area with solvent-free soap, dry. Then reapply using a slightly weaker mix, 1 part concentrate to 4 parts water, to reduce residue without sacrificing shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.